This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
The Joe Ruscio says, how is the deal with the Bugatti going? I don't know. I'm not the guy with the money. So, I don't know. The Bugatti, for people that don't know about this Bugatti Veyron, I'm sorry, Ed is going to kill me if I say Veyron. It's not Veyron, it's Veyron.
Is it?
It's Veyron. Anybody who owns a Veyron says Veyron. Anybody who doesn't says Veyron because they're hicks. Because they're ignorant hicks. Okay? Bugatti Veyron. So in any case,
it's one of them Bugatti Darth Vaders.
That's right. Yes. Perfect. So the deal is that it is all taken apart. It's basically in a million pieces, and the guy wants $300,000 for it, and he's not willing to budge on the price. Basically, no tire kickers. I know what I got. Craigslist, except it's $300,000.
And went into a saltwater lake.
And went to a saltwater lake, maybe with the engine running. We don't know.
I'm pretty sure it was running.
Yeah, I know. I mean, he wanted to get the most money out of the insurance as possible because it was an insurance scam. However, I have been told that the engine is okay because the Bugatti Veyron has intakes on the top of the car.
Ah, yeah, it does.
Yeah. So it might be all right. So all the radiators and stuff, they're all like messed up.
That's the motor you should put into your Yugo.
I should, yeah. Those are easy to find, right?
The Ugodi Veyron.
Wow, that rolls right off the tongue. So nothing yet. The last I checked, Ed is trying to maybe secure funding, maybe trying to do something. This is a far off project, but I really doubt that anybody's going to buy it. And if somebody does buy it, it's going to sit for a while and not do anything. It's going to be for sale again. So I'm not, I have my fingers crossed, but I'm not really concerned about what happens to that car. Even though if it does end up in my hands to rebuild, that would be real good. That would be awesome.
That'd be pretty cool.
And also terrifying. Also extremely terrifying.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Less for you, more for Ed. Because it wouldn't be your $300,000.
Well, I mean, less for Ed because he could always sell the car and he could.
I saw the episode of him talking about what he'd do with it. Yeah, make furniture out of it and stuff, which is legitimately a great idea.
Right. Sharma Bob says, not a question, just wanted to say keep up the great work and content. Love watching your builds. Much love from Charlotte. Thank you very much. How much did this build cost? And what Pawa D says, how much does this build cost? And what are your thoughts on doing an 03 plus interior upgrade on the Viper?
Exterior upgrade.
Exterior. Well, how much did the build cost? My Lambo build. I'll get to that in a future episode because I myself don't know. So, let me just check.
You already answered that.
Did I answer that already? But an 03 exterior upgrade, that is, as far as I know, not possible.
It's also blasphemy.
It's blasphemy, but it's also the car is a 95, and 03 is a different generation. It's like a different
from
everything.
Scratch, different car.
Yeah, it's like asking when am I going to do the Rolls-Royce conversion on my Bentley? It's never going to happen because it's a different car.
Although we have seen Rolls-Royce conversion on a Scion XB.
We have, and it looked really, really good. No, the opposite of good. Yeah, what's that?
Cullinan Jr.
Cullinan Jr., yeah.
Good old Cully.
Scion Cully.